Here's how to hide your Instagram following and followers list on any phone. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't have a setting that lets you completely hide your following or followers list from everyone. However, there are two methods you can use to make your account more private. First, open the Instagram app and tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner, then scroll down and tap Account Privacy. The first option is to switch your account to private. Simply turn on Private Account. When your account is private, only people you approve as followers can see your posts, stories, and most of your profile information, including your following and followers list. Keep in mind that new people will need to send you a follow request before they can view your content. If you don't want to make your entire account private, there's another option. Go back to the previous menu and tap Blocked. Then tap the plus icon in the top right corner, search for the person you want to block, and tap Block. Once someone is blocked, they won't be able to view your profile, your content, or your following and followers list. At the moment, these are the best privacy options Instagram offers for limiting who can see your followers and following. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to How To with Sunny for more simple Instagram tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.